Passion makes performance possible. It's our passion for improving the health of people while also helping our customers' businesses thrive. That's made Probi what we are today, first in probiotics. My name is Shane Judge, and I'm the Vice President for Marketing and Sales at Probi. In the past decade, the demand for probiotics has increased dramatically, and Probi has made it its mission to help customers who are satisfying consumer demand meet those expectations. Very often we hear from our customers that it's Probi's vertical integration combined with our scientific innovation that really helps them meet the needs of customers. Additionally, we're integrated with a number of third-party manufacturers, which gives us even more ability to meet the needs of our customers. Probi's full-service offer allows our customers to create products that really stand out to their customers. Most of Probi's solutions are actually manufactured in-house in our own facilities, and this really is an advantage for our customers. They can customize many things with us, and we can also leverage our network and our relationships with third-party manufacturers as well to even give more flexibility to our customers. No matter what you're looking for, Probi's here to help.